Hi everyone, I'm Sonia Luthra and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will specifically be talking about some phrases that you can use in your speaking interview, especially when you are referring to a past incident. There are many incidences when you are narrating a story, especially for your part two, that is cue card topic. You have to refer to an old incident or an incident that happened in the past. So you should use these phrases. So I'll be talking about three phrases specifically here. So the number one is, as far as my memory serves me well. As far as my memory serves me well. It means जैसा कि मेरे दिमाग को याद है या जैसा मुझे याद है. Or you can instead use this as far as I can recall or as far as I remember that. Second one is, if I remember it correctly, it was dash. So you can continue the sentence as per what you want to. Third one is, I can't remember it correctly, but it was that. So one was in the positive connotation when you told that if I remember correctly, जैसा कि मुझे correctly याद है, and the last one was in the negative connotation, in the negative tone, wherein you said मुझे अच्छे से तो याद नहीं है, as I cannot remember exactly, but it was. मुझे अच्छे से याद तो नहीं है, लेकिन या शायद ऐसा था. Right? So these are the three phrases that you can use when you want to refer to an incident that happened in the past and you want to start your story by referring to that incident. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you do not miss out on any new video on the platform. See you soon in the next video. Till then, please take care.